Welcome to this video where we will show you how SOA4All can help with an e-commerce application. We will provide an insight into the SOA4All tools and the e-commerce dashboard. If you're running a web shop, SOA4All offers you a large number of benefits. The SOA4All e-commerce solution allows you to combine offers from many different vendors on the fly. This means that you can integrate products from many business partners easily without having to care about importing and exporting issues. Moreover, you can enrich your web shop with many external e-commerce services. For example, you can integrate services for payments, fraud protection, advertising, user feedback, and so on. The SOA4All e-commerce tools allow you to get feedback about your system instantly, as you can use the monitoring and analysis functionality provided by SOA4All to keep track of your services and processes. All of this can be done without having to write a single line of code. You just use the SOA4All Studio. For example, its easy-to-use process editor allows you to combine services into processes. Here, you can see the wide variety of e-commerce specific tools available in SOA4All. There are free services for publishing your offerings to make them available to other SOA4All users. We have created powerful applications for presenting a combined set of products on services like Twitter and Facebook. There are also advertising services you can integrate into your system to gain additional income. All of this is controlled in a single user interface called the SOA4All Studio. You don't need to install anything on your PC. Just use your normal web browser to navigate through the tools integrated in the studio. As a web shop owner, the first thing you probably want to do is make your products accessible to the SOA4All system. This will allow you to create an e-commerce application on top of SOA4All, and it will allow resellers to include your products in their web shops. For publishing your products, you first have to annotate your internal service that makes them available. This is needed in order to tell SOA4All how to access your product data. Simply launch the annotation editor for doing so. To guide you through the annotation process for WSDL services or web APIs, we recommend the videos for the Sweet and Sour tools. Among the tools in the SOA4All Studio, there is one created especially for e-commerce purposes. It is called the e-commerce dashboard. It allows you to quickly access the most relevant processes and services used for modern e-commerce. Once you have selected and annotated your services, it is time to combine them in an e-commerce site. You can use the integrated service composer of SOA4All for doing so. The service composer allows you to either create new processes from scratch or to open and extend existing processes. Here we load and publish an existing process. You can watch our video about SOA4All Composer to find out more about creating a new process. After the process is published online, the SOA4All e-commerce dashboard provides ready-to-go tools for invoking SOA4All processes from web-based platforms like Twitter and Facebook. The integration into those applications is seamless and can be done within just a couple of minutes. On top of the high-level overview of the e-commerce related functionalities shown in this video, SOA4All provides further tools that are used in e-commerce environments, such as a detailed monitoring and analysis system that allows you to see how your services perform and how often they have been invoked. To summarize, SOA4All will provide you with significant advantages in your daily e-commerce. Feel free to visit us at soa4all.eu.